Welcome to Law Made Simple, your trusted source for easy-to-understand legal information. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects everyone at some point: how to file a police complaint and an FIR in India. If you've ever wondered about the process, the difference between the two, or your rights while filing, you're in the right place. We'll break it down step by step so you can handle it confidently. You'll learn what each term means, the procedure to follow, and how to escalate if needed. We'll also share tips to make the process smoother for you. This guide will help you protect your legal rights effectively. So, let's get started and simplify the law together. What is a police complaint? A police complaint is simply informing the police about an offense. It can be done verbally or in writing, depending on the situation. Complaints can be made for both minor and serious offenses. They're not the same as an FIR, which applies only to certain cases. The purpose is to alert the police so they can record and verify your information. It's the first step to bringing an offense to official notice. You don't have to be the victim to file a complaint. Witnesses can do it too. Remember, the goal here is to start the documentation process. What is an FIR, First Information Report? An FIR, or First Information Report, is a formal document prepared by the police. It applies only to cognizable offenses, crimes where the police can act without a court order. Once an FIR is registered, the investigation officially begins. It includes details like the date, time, location, and nature of the offense. It also mentions the names of the accused and witnesses, if available. The police must write it in the FIR register and give you a copy free of cost. The FIR acts as the foundation of the entire criminal case. Without it, most criminal investigations cannot proceed. Difference between a complaint and FIR. It's important to understand how a complaint differs from an FIR. A complaint can be for any offense, big or small. An FIR, however, is specifically for serious, cognizable offenses. Complaints can be verbal or written. FIRs must be formally written by police. A complaint may or may not start an investigation. An FIR always leads to a police investigation. Think of a complaint as informing and an FIR as triggering action. Knowing the difference ensures you choose the right process. How to file a police complaint. Filing a police complaint is straightforward. First, visit your nearest police station. Explain the incident clearly and calmly to the officer. Provide your name, contact details, and any evidence you have. If you have witnesses, mention their details too. Ask for the complaint to be written down and registered. Always request a copy for your records, free of charge. This ensures you have proof of the report in case you need it later. How to file an FIR. To file an FIR, go to the police station where the offense occurred. Clearly narrate the incident with all important details: date, time, and location. Mention the names and descriptions of the accused, if you know them. Provide any supporting evidence or witness information. Ensure the officer reads the FIR back to you for accuracy. Once correct, sign it to confirm the details. The police must give you a free copy of the FIR. This document will be your official proof of the case. Key rights while filing. When you file a police complaint or FIR, you have important rights. You have the right to register an FIR for any cognizable offense. It must be written in your language or translated for you. You are entitled to a free copy of the FIR. You can file it at any police station, even if the crime happened elsewhere. Some states allow FIRs to be filed online through official portals. Police cannot refuse to file an FIR if the offense is cognizable. Knowing your rights helps you stand firm if faced with resistance. What if police refuse to file FIR? Sometimes, police may refuse to register your FIR. If this happens, approach a senior officer such as the SP or DCP. You can also send a written complaint to the judicial magistrate. Under Section 156(3) of the Criminal Procedure Code, the court can order police to act. Many states have online grievance portals where you can lodge complaints. You can also use state or national police helplines for assistance. Document all your communication for evidence. Persistence is key when protecting your legal rights. Practical tips. Here are some practical tips when filing a complaint or FIR. Stay calm and polite, even if the situation is stressful. Speak clearly and stick to the facts. Keep copies of all documents and evidence you submit. Note the FIR number and the officer's name handling your case. Record the date and time you filed the report. If possible, take a friend or family member for support. These steps will help you stay organized and protected. Conclusion and call to action. Now you know exactly how to file a police complaint and an FIR in India. We've covered the difference between the two and the steps to follow. We've also discussed your rights and what to do if the police refuse. With this knowledge, you can act confidently in any such situation. Always remember, legal awareness is your first defense. Stay informed and help others learn their rights too. This is law made simple, making the law easy for everyone. If you found this helpful, share, and subscribe to our channel for more.